guys, today is Saturday. Punta kami ng Lowe's kasi may kailangan pa kaming meron pa kaming mga kulang. So magtitingin-tingin din kami ng fridge, oven, tapos yung cooktop at saka dishwasher. So yun, para isang lagayan na lang lahat.
Yeah, you talking out. Got a whole lot of words falling out. Yeah, run your
We're
mouth.
looking for the bulb. This is for the chandelier. Alright, we need 6 of that. There you go. Ayan guys, mga bumbilya para sa isang bathroom pa namin. Yung ginagamit namin ngayon sa baba. Dito tayo sa dishwasher. Balik kaming dalawa lang ni Mister. At sinadya talaga namin hindi dalhin si Hana para makapag-focus kaming dalawa. So alam nyo guys, ito yung mga bagay na hindi namin nagawa ni Mister. Noong bago pa lang kami, yan yung pag-shopping ng mga appliances. At ito, at super excited nga ako, lalo na ako mismo yung pipili ng mga appliances na gagamitin ko sa kusina. Yan, so ito guys yung mga cooktop na pagpipilian natin. Check natin baka meron pa sa kabila. So ito yung gas, ayan yung electric.
Then an air fry tray. And it is convection. So you can use regular bake, convection bake, or air fry. So you can do any of the.
So bali guys, ito yung napili namin kasi wala siyang masyadong ganito. Mahirap kasi ito linisin yung mga grills niya. So ito pinaka-simple. Let's check this backsplash. This is LG. What do you think, madam? Ayan, so nakapili na nga po kami ng aming mga appliances. Tapos, eto ngayon, pinipili namin yung butcher block. Kasi yan yung aming magiging countertop.
So that one's only like $450. You're talking probably $1,000 for a countertop. Oh, wow.
And guys, nag-customize kami ng cabinet. Ayan siya. Ayan. So, ang galing kasi, makikita mo yung itsura ng kabuuan ng kitchen. This is wall here.
So there's a wall.
In the side of the oven.
Oh, then there you go.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
Sunlight dances on the balcony as I wait for thee to come home.
It is. Oh, you can go swimming.
When you're in that dress, glad you're home. We stay.
There you go. And guys, dito ako ngayon sa aming room. So, kasi yung dingding, tsaka yung salamin, yan, kailangan linisin dahil Napakaraming alikabok galing sa mga pinutol nilang kahoy dito, yung mga pinaglagarian na naging powder. So, dumikit lahat yan. Ang daming nakadikit sa dingding. So, kailangan siyang linisin. Kasi, magmumove kami, maybe bukas, dito sa baba. Sa ngayon, yan muna yung gagamitin namin na lagayan ng mattress. At nandito pa yung mga gamit nila. So, tatanggalin din namin yan. I-move namin doon sa kabila. Kasi dito na sila sa labas. Yan. Simula dito hanggang papunta ng kitchen. Yan. Tapos yung kitchen din. So, yan na yung next na aayusin nila. So, yan guys. Simulan na natin yung paglilinis.
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming on. Boy, you know you're all I want. Keep saying that I hate it, but it's kind of fun. Watching me come undone. No more games. Can't we just say its name? Instead of running away and jumping the gun to play it safe. Let's spend the weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow. I tried to shake it, find a way to get you off my mind. Really tried to draw that line. One look from you, I'm praying I could call you mine. Baby, you got my hands tied. No more games. Can't we just say its name? Instead of running away and jumping the gun to play it safe. Oh, let's spend the weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow.
Yan guys, tapos na yung paglilinis ko ng dingding. At ngayon naman, tatanggalin ko lahat ng mga gamit nila. Ililipat ko dun sa kabilang kwarto.
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming on. Boy, you know you're all I want. Keep saying that I hate it, but it's kind of fun. Watching me come undone. No more games. Can't we just say its name? Instead of running away and jumping the gun to play.
So, nilipat na namin yung fridge doon sa room namin. Ito yung wire na naka-attach dun sa fridge. Bali yung ano niya, water dispenser. Pinutol na lang namin kasi yung switch ng tubig na to is luma na siya, and then baka pagka pinihit namin biglang masira at magkaroon ng baha dito sa aming kitchen. Yan, ito guys, at kailangan nang tanggalin yung laman ng mga cabinets. Yung mga dilata, tinitingnan ko ngayon kung alin yung expired na at saka yung hindi pa. So, para hindi ko nabitbitin yung mga hindi na kailangan doon sa kabilang kwarto.
These days are running slow. Sunsets and shores far from home. Headlights are shining on the sea. No place on earth I'd rather be. And I could try to just follow the swell, but I'll never find this anywhere else.
aming mga gamit guys galing sa kitchen. Ayan. Rice cooker. Andyan na. So yan guys, ito na lang yung natira. Tapos yung mga nandoon, nakabox na yun, ililipat na lang dun sa kabila. So lahat ng cabinet, tanggal na yung laman.
Close to this, I'm sure. You try to say the sunrise the same. But tell me, have you ever danced in the rain? And I could try
So ililipat ko na itong mga frozen food.
but I'll never find this anywhere else. And I could try to just follow the sweat, but I'll never find this anywhere else.
Here you guys, I'm going to make a curry for dinner. So ito po yung pork chop at gagawin ko po siyang tonkatsu para may partner po ang ating curry.
The sunlight dances on the balcony as I wait for thee to come home.
How was that?
Phone bubble was, yeah, my mind's a mess when you're in that dress. Glad you're home. Will you stay with me and never leave? You walked into my life and I am glad you came.